nodemon NodeJS course. This package monitor changes in our NodeJS application. First of all, I stop the server and change the my index file with server.js. After that, I installed npm nodemon. Nodemon installed successfully. Now go to the package.json. We can see in the dependency nodemon 2.0. Here I write server, then add nodemon, then my server.js file. I run the server by server.js file without mon and automatically restart the server. We can see I'm preload and nothing happened here. If I close the server and restart again manually, then we can see these changes applied here. Now I run the server by npm run and server keyword. From here, run the command, then make little bit changes with uppercase. We can see changes appear here. Then I reduce the text. We can see changes apply without restart the server. I hope you like this video. I'll check with you. Goodbye.